Hello and welcome to another update video about Optimism. Yeah, so Optimism was not able to put in this fifth wave yet. In my opinion, we still have a situation that the fifth wave then hasn't even started. It's also what I highlighted in the last video, that really this channel is highly relevant. If we lose this channel, this is probably not a diagonal pattern anymore. And this is now, it shows basically now that we are coming down too far. It invalidated the diagonal in one of the last signal. I think it was not the last one, but the one before on Telegram. I did post that it would be a much clearer structure if it was to retest this support area around 199, because then we have clarity that this is a fourth wave. I think we are seeing that now and might still get a fifth wave afterwards. Yeah, it's a similar structure to what Bitcoin and Ethereum might be doing. Yeah, that this fourth wave is currently still underway. That we already had a fifth wave in. Don't really see that. I would like to see here it to retest the fourth wave support area and ideally turn around and rally in a fifth. So really the 199 level is highly relevant. Let's just double check that, depending on from where I draw this. I mean, I could even, if I draw it a little bit further to the downside, just to give it the benefit of the doubt, we go down to 193, but really it shouldn't drop below 199 in this fourth wave. This would be key support. It's also round about the area where we had the previous lows. Yeah, let me hide that here. Where we had the previous lows, and we are coming down now, and the subwave count that I'm seeing here would suggest that we came down here, probably in an A wave. This was a B wave, overshooting B wave. So A wave down, overshooting B wave, and we're now coming down in 5 waves. And ideally, we don't go substantially below 199, yeah? So below 199, what kind of support levels do we have? Well, we've got the 193 level, which is sort of, is it 193? So yeah, 193, which is this swing low, and then 190. So it's all about not to drop substantially below 190. This is fib support. At the moment, I have no indication it's actually bottomed. So this is probably, it just looks like it's accelerating further to the downside, but I would expect some support here around the 190 to $2 area, which is here around the 50% fib level. Yeah, I mean, we've now come down to the 38.2. Doesn't seem it's going to respect that. And I think we're now in the C wave, yeah. So if I look at, lengthwise, A wave to C wave, then we're looking at a key target here, 1-to-1 ratio, which is an absolute relevant Fibonacci target here between waves A and C. We're talking about the 214 level, so I would already pay attention to that one, and then 199, and then 190. If it goes below 190, then it might even come down to 143, but then it's probably not a wave 4 anymore. Yeah, we would then need to look at what it is. But this is a setup where we can still expect, with a high likelihood, a fifth wave. Is this one where we find support here, maybe at 214. Yeah, I mean, this is also still quite a bit of a drop. Or 199. I mean, again, dropping and sustaining below 199 would make me question this scenario. So yeah, this is where we are. It's getting choppy in the areas of wave 4 and 5. That every trader needs to consider that. Typically, most easy money can be made in the third wave, and then we get a fourth, which can be sideways, messy, yeah, where you can't really say for sure what kind of pattern it is, because it can be a flat pattern, which is just moving sideways. You make a new price extreme. You have to come to the conclusion that you might be already in the fifth wave, but you can't rule out that it's still a wave 4. Those were the two possibilities we discussed, and now it's retesting that, giving us a bit more clarity, but ideally it doesn't really drop below 199. Okay, that's my update about Optimism. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.